Today, we are looking at a new limited edition truck, the 2026 Ram 1500 DC650, built by Fox Factory in collaboration with Direct Connection. It's a 650 horsepower supercharged street truck, but it comes with a very serious price tag. The base model in rear-wheel drive with cloth seats starts at $89,995. A fully loaded four-wheel drive version with leather and a tonneau cover will cost you $95,125. That is a significant amount of money, placing it deep into the territory of other high-performance trucks. So let's do a calm, analytical breakdown. Is the DC650 a smart purchase or just an expensive novelty? Let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, the biggest asset is the powertrain. You get a 650 horsepower, 5.7-liter Hemi V8 supercharged by a 3.0-liter Whipple. Because this is a direct connection collaboration, this isn't just a random aftermarket kit, it's an integrated package that works with the factory e-torque system and likely carries a warranty, which is a major value add for a modified vehicle. The second pro is the quality of the components. This isn't just a cosmetic package. The suspension is a legitimate high-performance upgrade. It uses Fox coilover dampers, which are tunable, allowing the owner to balance comfort and performance. It also includes Ride Tech control arms for both the front and rear, which is a serious engineering solution to improve handling and eliminate wheel hop under acceleration. You also get 22-inch wheels and a full functional aero kit with a sport hood. These are not cheap parts. Finally, there is the exclusivity. With a serialized badge on the interior, this is a limited-run vehicle. For collectors, and for those who miss the old Hemi V8s, this could be seen as a last hurrah for the muscle truck, which could help it hold its value better than a standard Ram 1500. Now, let's move to the minus column. The most obvious negative is that starting price. $90,000 is a lot. The article compares it to the new Ford F-150 Lobo, but the Lobo starts at $60,395. The DC650 is 50% more expensive. That is a $30,000 premium. The second con is the loss of utility. A truck is defined by its ability to do truck things, haul and tow. By lowering this truck 4 inches in the rear and adding a front splitter, you have severely compromised its breakover and departure angles. Its payload and towing capacity will almost certainly be reduced by the softer, lower suspension. It becomes a truck that can't really be used as a truck. A third con is the engine choice itself. While many love the Hemi, Ram is moving its entire 1500 line to the new Hurricane straight-six engine for 2025 and beyond. This DC650, being sold as a 2026 model, is using the old 5.7-liter V8. This could negatively impact its long-term desirability and resale value once the Hemi is no longer the mainline engine. It could be seen as last-gen technology just a year or two after it's sold. So how does it stack up? The article's comparison to the Lobo is almost unfair given the price gap. The Ram has 250 more horsepower, but at a cost of $30,000. A more appropriate comparison for a $95,000 truck would be the Ford F-150 Raptor, which has 450 horsepower, but a vastly more complex and capable off-road suspension. Or you could look at a lightly used Ram TRX, which offered 702 horsepower and a full factory warranty for a similar price when new. So what is the final verdict? Buy, wait, or skip? This is a very niche vehicle. It is not a rational purchase, and it is not a good value in the traditional sense. You are paying a massive premium for a warranted, last-generation V8 in a platform that sacrifices all of its utility for on-road performance. If you're a collector, if you have $95,000 to spend on a weekend toy, and you absolutely must have a modern, warranted version of the old SRT-10 street truck, this might be for you. However, for the average buyer, there are much smarter options. If you want a performance truck, a Ford Raptor gives you more capability. If you simply want a fast truck, an EV pickup is often quicker in a straight line. And if you just want a fast Hemi, you could modify a standard Ram 1500 yourself for significantly less money. For 99% of buyers, the 2026 Ram DC650 is a skip. Get smart analysis before you buy. Subscribe to Hargai for more value-focused car reviews.